It's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create this adorable little earring using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Badlands? And I am just using a few of my leftover beads from the kit. And this is just a super quick and easy earring or a nice little project to make, especially for like craft fair season or entering the holidays. This is great for a gift and a great way to use any leftover beads. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will leave links for all the products I am using. Let's start creating. So you will need about 3 inches of your Softlex wire, and I am using the copper Softlex metallic, and this came in the kit. You will need your little gem cut beads, 6 of them per earring, 4 of the turquoise beads, 1 turquoise cube, 2 bronze little spacer bead caps, and these were all part of the exclusive Jesse James bead mix in the kit. Your ear finding, a 2x2, and we'll create this little earring. To start, we're just going to add the beads onto our earring. So we're just going to put the cube first and then add on our bead caps. And when we add on our bead caps, we want to make sure that they're facing the right way with the cube. And then we're going to alternate between the 3x5 mm gem cuts and these 4 mm turquoise beads. And these are, they're not real turquoise. They're maybe like a magnesite or a dyed howlite. So we're going to add one of our little rondels. And I love the gem cut beads. I know this is the name of it, but some of the gem cut beads look just like gemstones. So this reminds me of a jasper. We're going to alternate between the little gem cuts and a turquoise bead. So we'll have our design, and then we're just going to string on the rest of them. And this is just basic bead stringing. So these are about 5-minute earrings, maybe 10 for the pair. And also down below, I will leave a link for my earring tutorial playlist. So on this design, I'm doing something a little different than I normally do. I usually do a little loop on top, but just because I am using a copper 2x2, sometimes they are a little tricky to pass 3 of the medium soft flex wires through. With the other 2x2s, you can, but with the copper ones, it can be a little tricky. So we're just going to pass it through and just do one crisscross instead of trying to get 3 wires in. So that's why this earring looks a little different than what I normally create. So we're going to take our 2x2 and we will have leftover soft flex wire for this project. So just make sure you save anything left over for another project. So we have our 2x2 added on. We're going to take our wire and we're just going to crisscross. So we have our little circle and our little crisscross on top through the 2x2. So you could make a bigger earring and let your soft flex wire show, completely up to you. It would just be the same technique. And then to make it smaller, we're just going to give it a pull. And we'll create like our little circle. We'll just make any little adjustments as needed. So now we're going to take our pliers and just flatten the 2x2. And normally I will round the 2x2. It'll give it a more professional finish. But for this project and where the placements of the beads are, it's okay to just flatten the 2x2. Trim off the rest of it. So another design option, if you wanted to, you could attach a couple jump rings and then attach it to your ear wire, completely up to you. So we have our little component and we're just going to open up our ear wire. And then we're just going to attach it directly over our little 2x2 that we just flattened. Take our pliers and close up the loop on our ear wire. And we have our beautiful little 5-minute earrings, perfect for autumn or holiday season, using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Badlands. So much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other tutorials using this design kit and earring inspiration. Have an awesome day.